Hey folks, join me tonight as I use my magic Esprit 100 to try and conjure up a wizard in space. Hi guys, my name's Steve and welcome to Scotia Astro. Tonight I'm going to use my astrophotography equipment here to try and capture an emission nebula and open star cluster known popularly as the Wizard Nebula. It's located in the constellation of Cepheus, and we'll go to the computer and I'll give you a closer look. There's a ton of cool objects in Cepheus, and I'll be imaging more in this area of the night sky in future videos. In terms of framing it up with the Esprit 100, I've opted to use my ZWO 533MC Pro, which is a one-shot colour camera, so I can punch right in on it. I'll pair this with an Optolong L Extreme filter, which slots right into my field flattener. I'll likely go for 5-minute subs, and I'll grab as many photons as I can if the weather holds, but it's looking good for tonight, so let's head out and get set up. I try and set up as much as I can during the daylight hours to give me a better view of what I'm doing, but light's fading here fast in Scotland, and I'm going to go inside, grab my cables and get everything hooked up ready for my imaging session tonight. Here's a rundown of the equipment I'll be using for tonight's imaging session, and you can find links to all of these in the description below the video. First up, my rig is mounted on a Skywatcher AZ EQ6 GT Pro mount, which is plopped on the excellent Ioptron tri-pier. This is rock solid, and I'm planning to purchase another one for a second rig that I'm building. More about this in a future video. My telescope for tonight is my Esprit 100 Super APO triplet refractor. It's one of my favourite scopes, and its focal length of 550mm and a focal ratio of 5.5 provides me with a nice range of targets in the night sky. In terms of cameras, we have a ZWO tag team tonight. My main imaging camera is the 533MC Pro one-shot colour camera. I like the square sensor on it, and it's great for framing showpiece targets like the Wizard Nebula that I'm imaging tonight. My guide camera is the ZWO 290MC Pro, which is paired with the ZWO 30mm finder scope. They're a great match, and they've never given me an ounce of bother. Everything will be controlled on my iPad using the excellent ASI Air Pro unit. This little red box does pretty much everything in my imaging session, and if you want to see a detailed video about it, let me know in the comments below. Well guys, darkness is falling now and we're ready to go. I'm just about to get underway and start getting polar lines, but we'll check in with you before the end of the video. Well folks, I'm happy with how the imaging session went tonight. I got a lot of nice data and I'm just about to pop it into PixInsight now, get it edited up for you so I can share a final image with you at the end of the video. Thanks very much for joining me. I hope you can join me in my next astrophotography adventure here in the UK. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing so you can keep up to date with my future uploads. Anyway, I'm signing off now from Scotland. Hope everyone's well, take care of yourself, and best wishes until next time. Clear skies.